Imagine two cosmic titans locked in an eternal dance of destruction and creation. In one corner, the infamous black hole, a monstrous abyss that devours everything, even light itself. In the other, its mysterious twin, the white hole, a celestial fountain spewing matter and energy into the universe. But what if these cosmic opposites collided? Brace yourselves for the ultimate space smackdown that could rip reality apart. Black hole versus white hole. Darkness against light. The end of time facing the birth of universes. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the mind-bending physics of these cosmic extremes and explore the earth-shattering consequences of their collision. What we're about to uncover will change how you see the universe forever. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's jump into the most extreme event the cosmos has ever witnessed. First up, black holes. These cosmic monsters are like the universe's no exit signs. Once you cross the event horizon, you're in for a one-way trip to, well, we're not quite sure where. Black holes form when massive stars die in spectacular supernovas. Their gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Talk about clingy. Now, meet the rebel of the cosmos, the white hole. Think of it as a black hole's wild cousin, partying in reverse. While black holes suck everything in, white holes are cosmic vending machines, spitting out matter and light like there's no tomorrow. But here's the kicker. We've never actually seen a white hole. They're the unicorns of astrophysics, existing only in the realm of math and imagination. For now, let's break down their key differences. 1. Appetite. Black holes are cosmic gluttons, devouring everything in sight. White holes? They're on a strict no-intake diet, only output allowed. 2. Time travel. Fall into a black hole, and you might just see the future. Stumble upon a white hole, and you could witness the birth of time itself. 3. Visibility. We've captured images of black holes looking like cosmic donuts. White holes? They're camera shy and theoretically impossible to observe. 4. Origin stories. Black holes form from collapsing stars. White holes? They might be the result of quantum effects or even the other side of black holes. 5. Neighborhood impact. Black holes warp space-time, creating gravitational waves. White holes would theoretically do the same, but in reverse, potentially unwarping space-time. Now, imagine these cosmic opposites colliding. It would be like matter meeting antimatter, potentially creating a burst of energy that would make supernovas look like firecrackers. Some scientists speculate this collision could create wormholes, tear holes in the fabric of space-time, or even birth new universes. Talk about family planning on a cosmic scale. But here's a mind-bending thought. What if black holes and white holes are actually the same thing, just viewed from different sides of time? It's like watching a video of someone jumping into a pool. Play it forward, it's a black hole. Reverse it, and voila, a white hole. As we push the boundaries of physics, who knows what we'll discover? Maybe we'll find that white holes are lurking in the centers of galaxies, or that they're the source of mysterious cosmic rays. One thing's for sure, in the cosmic battle between black and white holes, the real winner is our curiosity. These bizarre objects challenge our understanding of the universe and push us to explore further, think bigger, and dream wilder. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars and planets. You're witnessing a cosmic battlefield where the laws of physics duke it out on the grandest scale imaginable.